Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Noel Vaz for all you newbies out there. And for the rest of you guys, what's up? That has got to be the most cringiest thing I've put out on the internet. If you guys are wondering why I'm all flowery and dressed up today, honestly I have no excuse. Deal with it. And if you guys are wondering where my cap is, I cannot find it either. So deal with it in 200. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, I am going to be telling you guys a story time about how I was caught butt naked. And I know some of you guys are probably like, oh my god, your parents are naked, are you going to tell us about that? No, I'm not here for any jokes, fun or games. I'm here for some real tea. And I'm going to tell you guys this real tea. So let's get on with the video. So this was way back in 11th grade again. I'm starting to realize that I'm becoming boring as I grow older, because I can't think of anything embarrassing that has happened in the recent times. However, if I do think of it, you will see a story time about it soon. But yes, this was in 11th grade when I was studying in Muscat. Now, no, Muscat is not in Dubai. If you guys don't know what that video was about, the link to that video is in my description. But yes, if any of you guys have been in the Middle East or lived in a place like Rajasthan, you know how desert areas usually are. They are really hot. Not humid, but hot. And so it's mostly compulsory for every house to have like an AC in it. At least in the Middle East, I don't know about Rajasthan. But yeah, this was one particular night where my AC stopped working. And you won't know till you're actually in that heat about how fucking hot it can get without a functioning AC in the Middle East. Anyway, I managed that night, and the next morning was a school morning. And the next morning I go to school, whatever happens, I tell my parents that the AC is not working. All of that is done. I don't think I need to explain that part of it. But fast forward to after the school day, I come back home, and the first thing I do, and I don't know if you guys do this as well, or it's just me and my metabolism. Do you say metabolism or do you say metabolism? I don't know why I get so weird with all these English words. But anyway, I go straight into the toilet after my school day to take a huge fucking dump. If you're anything like me, if you have high metabolism, you know that the moment you come back from anywhere out, you have to make a visit to the toilet because shit's gonna go down. Quite literally. So I go to the toilet, and as I said, Muscat's really hot. And so I decide to strip down completely and take this dump because I am not going to be sweating while taking a nice huge shit. So I do all of that. I'm not going to get into the details of taking a dump because I think everyone takes a dump. Like, I don't have to tell you what goes into taking a dump. Or is it making a dump? Technically, I'm not taking it. So as I finish taking this, I'm not going to say that word again. I've been saying it so many times. But as I finish my duty, let's just put it that way. As I finish my duty, I start to notice that there's this bar stool in the washroom that's usually in my room. And I'm like, what is it doing here? But without thinking of it, like for a second, I was like, okay, cool, whatever, I'm just going to take it to my room. And so I start to take this bar stool out and I drag it outside. Now, mind you, my room and my washroom are very close to each other. So this is like the washroom, this is like the room. I just like sneak my way in always after like a shower or after like taking my duty. Whatever it is, after I finished doing whatever I want to do, I always sneak in there completely butt naked. And this was no exception. This was another day that I just walk in. So I had to drag it backwards and walk my way into the washroom? Into my room. And so that's exactly what I do. So here I am dragging my little bar stool. I enter the room. I close the room's door. And I turn around to find my AC technician staring at me butt naked in my own room. It's so embarrassing even when I think of it. It was such a funny yet embarrassing moment because I remember turning around completely stripped and this dude did not even move an eyeball. He literally looked at me like, and I was just like, holy shit. What the hell do I do now? I can confidently say what felt like a minute was actually just like 30 seconds of me just looking at him and he looking at me, and I'm just like, how the fuck do I get out of here? Because I had even closed the door behind me, so it was like,
हम तुम के कमरे में बंद हो.
And I had my stool in between and I was just like panicking because I was freaking naked. How embarrassing is that? Immediately I think of something. I get out of the room, I go into my other room and I wrap a towel around me and I get the fuck out of there and I go and sit in my living room. Now my dad is there in the living room as well. And at this point I have to tell him because I don't know, I was just so embarrassed. I needed rude. So I tell my dad, and needless to say, he laughed his ass off. So yeah, technically I kind of blame myself because I should have asked, but also it's my room. 10 minutes pass by, this guy actually comes to the living room to say that he has finished his work. I am still in my towel. I am still embarrassed. And he has the audacity to make eye contact with me. Oh god. I mean, it's nice of him to like try to like make everything seem like it was normal, but like it wasn't normal to me. Like till date, if someone asks me what's my most embarrassing moment, this has to be it. Until I think of something else. If I think of something else, I'll let you guys know. We actually happened to see each other like twice or thrice after I came back from school. Once or twice. Or thrice. I said that again. But yeah, I happened to see him around. It was still awkward. I don't want to visit that. But at least my AC got fixed. That's one good way of looking at it. So now I will wear clothes everywhere, I hope. Till date, I will never step out of my washroom completely butt naked because lessons have been learned. Embarrassments have been done. So yeah guys, that's pretty much what happened. Forever embarrassing. I hope none of you guys have gone through it. And if you guys have gone through something like this, please let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, that's it for this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want me to feel a little better about how embarrassing my life was back in 11th grade, please freaking subscribe to this channel and also tell me you guys' embarrassing stories. If you guys want to know another thing that happened to me in 11th grade, it's about the time I got suspended for porn in my phone. That video is also up on this channel. I will link it down in the description below. Do give that a watch as well. That's pretty much it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.